Hey guys, we stayed in Townsville last night in a little park. We went to Magnetic Island yesterday. It was amazing. I got absolutely eaten alive by midgies. Well, I think they're midgies. I woke up at 3 a.m. this morning and couldn't sleep because I was so itchy. So this morning we're gonna go to the chemist and hopefully they've got some cream or something that will help, because I cannot for the life of me stop scratching them. So yeah, and then we're gonna go shopping for food. We've been doing food shopping every fortnight, so we've been stretching it out for the 2 weeks with the food that we have. So finally we can go and get some more food today, and I'll take you guys along and show you what we eat and how we budget and stuff like that. So just quickly before I have to put my mask on, because we need to do that in Townsville at the moment, they don't have any Audis at the top of Queensland, so we're just going to do all of our shopping at Woolworths. Usually we go to Aldi first and buy all of the basic stuff that we need, and then anything we can't find in Aldi we'll go to Woolworths and buy. So this shop might be a little bit more expensive, we don't really know yet, but we'll keep you updated.
Okay, so we've got our food for the next 2 weeks. We spent, what did we spend? $252. So, and 80 cents.
Very good.
So between two people, it's at like 125 a week. It's pretty good, I guess. For the week, we've got our meat here. We just got some chicken wings, kebabs, mince and stuff. We'll try and freeze that as well because it'll last obviously longer. And then we've just got easy dinners, some pasta, bit of bacon, ham for like lunches and that. Bit of fruit and veg. So fruit, bit of veg here, in there. And then we got our bread, oats.
We've got some snacks over here. Canned chicken, tuna, just stuff like that.
And some of this stuff probably lasts longer than 2 weeks as well. So
yeah,
yeah, this shop might be a little bit more expensive, a little bit cheaper.
Just depends.
So the food's chock-a-block at the moment. We've filled the cupboard. It's hard to work with for like the first week, but then it gets a little bit easier, but I think we're pushing it to its limit. And then there's a fair bit of food underneath here as well. And the fridge and freezer is packed. So, but we'd rather do it like this than have to go shopping weekly. So we usually go for Macro Mike, but we're going to try out this plant protein from Botanica Blend. So it's the same sort of thing, it's just pea protein instead of whey.
What flavours have you got?
We got cacao hazelnut flavour, so chocolate, and then vanilla cake batter. So vanilla and chocolate.
Can't wait to try them. We've just arrived at Paluma National Park. There's a few really nice waterfalls and stuff, so we're just going to check them out. on now.
Mamma mia, I dropped my spaghetti.
God damn.
You drop it everywhere. Spaghetti everywhere. Do you want to play pick up sticks? Lumpy, there you go, mate. Whereabouts are we?
Atty Creek.
Atty Creek Falls.
Yes.
Yeah, cool.
We pretty much hiked all day yesterday at Woollerman Falls. So we don't really feel like trekking anymore. But here we are. I think this one's only like 700 meters.
700 meters. Yesterday was 2k's down and then 2k's back up. So
Yep.
tree's got a bit of a booty happening. Zoom in on that.
Very nice.
Quite thick.
It's been raining for the last 2 days, so there's mud everywhere and it's very slippery. This is just a disaster waiting to happen. It's so muddy.
It's just stacked it hard.
Ow, it actually
Did
hurt.
you get any grazes?
No, little one.
Fuck, that was funny.